I have this flatbed trailer bed here for sale. Don't know what it's off of, but it's in fairly decent shape. If you want it, that's $100 at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Give me a call at 215-651-8329. $100. This is some furniture and items in a shed that I have for sale. There's some like a bureau, small bureau, a chest, a gun cabinet, some rugs, some lamps, a table and chairs. A couple of air conditioners in the back as well. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is Native American pottery. The outlines there is made from putting grass or dirt or things like that up against the pot when they're making it. There's an iron cross, 50 caliber bullet. Of course, it's dead. Some money from 1952 or 53, an emblem, and some patches. Let's have a whole bunch more little knickknacks to go through, and I'll put these up later. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is equipment at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We're always in the market to buy or trade for equipment and materials that we can use on our farm. We like trailers, trucks, bobcats, heavy equipment, anything that can be used to help us transplant trees and shrubs. We grow thousands and thousands of trees and shrubs, and we're more than interested in trading with you. So if you have equipment that you want to get rid of and you can't sell it, give us a call at 215-651-8329. Maybe we can trade it for some trees or shrubs or nursery stock or stone. We have lots of pallets of stone. Sometimes cash isn't always available, so trading is always an option. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. Besides emerald green arborvitaes, we grow a wide selection of arborvitaes. For example, the green giant, the Niagara, the Techne, the Elegantissima. We also grow a wide range of trees and shrubs, such as the river birch, oaks, maples. We also have some copper beeches and some unusual cultivars. We also grow such shrubs as viburnums, burning bushes, rhododendron, azaleas, junipers, and we're usually able to deliver and plant for you from Boston down to Roanoke, Virginia, and as far west as the Ohio border. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for your trees and shrubs. Thank you.